Hello, trading is closed on March 5th, 2018. Let's go over our calls. Looking for a pattern with an early low and a late high, tendency to close near the high. We said Friday's pattern was basically positive, and unless we invalidated it by gapping down, promptly undercutting these lows, higher prices should print. However, I have a standard rule that says if we gap sharply in the undesired direction, the calls cancel before the open, and since I didn't specifically say I was canceling that rule, I don't get credit for today's move. During the day, MEJT said this late drop satisfied an ultimate sell signal, but it wouldn't stick. Forecast prices going over this high, which they did. It's not good that after rallying all day that we closed under the middle of the day high, but that negativity would be erased if we gapped up and promptly took out these highs. Otherwise, look for lower prices. Early on, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. Minimum target is 26.75.74. There's no time limit, but usually you don't wait long, and usually you get more than the minimum. We're getting close to my dates, but more importantly, we're getting close to my target price. The general idea is that this is an impulsive wave down. We have an A, we have a B. We're now forming C, and I have strong resistance at 27.46 plus cash. We had this count before, the A and the B. I think we're making C, and there are many ways to count this, but it looks like we've completed 4 out of a 5-wave pattern. If you want to fine-tune this, this was 1. This is a 23.6% retracement. Here's your 3. There's your 4. We should be in wave 5, and if you set the distance from waves 1 through 3 inclusive at 100%, you'll see that wave, if I can get it, wave 5 hits 78.6%, pretty much at the same target. So we have lots of resistance around 27.46. I expect that price to print, and when it prints, all we have to do is have it hold to start a wave down, which should be often greater in magnitude than this wave and related to it somewhat in time, has the potential to drop 550 points, most likely by the end of the month, taking us down to the 2200 level. Crashes are pretty rare things, and there are other ways to count this, I admit it, but it's a nice count, and if we stall here and start dropping, we could drop very, very far, very, very fast. Tomorrow's call, unless we gap up over this high promptly, lower prices should print, but the more important call is that somewhere around 27.46 cash, which doesn't have to come tomorrow, but which could, there's major resistance and a chance for a stop and reverse. We also have a new ultimate target. Ultimately, this price should print, and that's today's call.